The Eclipse Cross comes with a new embedded navigation system that includes the all-new what3words compatibility pattern, which is an industry first for Mitsubishi. Access the nav option directly from the home screen or by touching the nav soft button next to the home button. This will bring up the navigation map screen and show your current location. By pressing the circle icon with horizontal ellipses in the lower left corner, you can bring up this complete navigation menu, which allows you to search locations, edit route, access your favorites, select points of interest, locate gas stations and parking lots, and you can also adjust the settings from this menu. Searching locations and entering favorite places is made easy with the full-screen keyboard. As you begin typing, the system will search for the address. Select the correct address from the list that populates. Once you select it, you can use the circle icon with vertical ellipses to set this location as a favorite or as your starting point. And you can also rename and save this location as a shortcut. To navigate to this location from your current location, select the steering wheel icon. Now you are on your way, and turn-by-turn directions are provided on the navigation map screen. You will also see navigation in your heads-up display if equipped. You can also search for any location across the entire planet using the new what3words global addressing system. This new system enables precise route guidance within 10 feet to any location using a simple and exclusive combination of 3 simple words. The system will automatically recognize the what3words pattern on entry. The added accuracy of what3words is incredibly helpful if you know you need to park in a specific parking garage near your location versus directly at the address. To find the 3 words of your desired location, simply download the what3words app or visit their website and enter the address you're seeking. The location will appear within a gridded map. Use the 3 words presented for the exact address or select a different square if you're looking to park across the street, around the corner, at the back door, etc. Embedded navigation with what3words compatibility, an industry first for Mitsubishi, now available on the new Eclipse Cross. For more information on embedded navigation and other infotainment systems, please consult the 2022 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Owner's Handbook. Thanks for watching.